Happy 2015, everyone. This is Anthony from AnthonyVerdone.com. I want to quickly review my premium newsletter, what it will look like, how to use it, and see if I can help you make some money in 2015. The first part of the newsletter, when you open it up, you can read it yourself. It's just going to give you a little bit of examples of what I'm going to cover in the newsletter, how I'm going to help members understand technical analysis and understanding how to find fundamentally solid companies to trade. It will tell you that we're going to hold no more than 10 active picks at a time, and it's rare that I'll even get that high. What I like to do is accumulate stocks under a certain price. Once they get over that price, we just simply collect profits as the stock works higher. I will have stop losses in place, and I will explain how stop losses are utilized for each trade that we're in. I will have a review of the S&P 500 on the newsletter every morning. I will also cover the gold and oil sectors. I will also cover different indices that may be relatively weak or relatively strong to the other indices, so we get an idea of which way the market might be moving. You can see here how I work it. Our position trade number one is Alcoa. We have a chart down here. This is a weekly chart of Alcoa because I see the nice base here, price bouncing off the 50 SMA. So this is going to be our accumulation area. And then you can see our first profit taking area is going to come in around the $20 range. And then if we can bust through there, 23 to possibly 24 bucks is in the cards here. So this will tell you exactly what price I bought at. It would tell you how much of a full size that I did start buying, why I like the company, and how exactly how the trade will work. So accumulate under 16 for a ride to 18 to 20 over the next few months. And like I said, once we get to 20, we may even raise those targets up to the $23 to $24 area. You can see our next one, position trade 2 is active, EXTR. So here we're noticing that on the daily chart that we've come and formed a low bottom, we've came up, and now we're kind of making a bottom base. So until we get to this diagonal trend line here, I intend to accumulate price, and I expect this stock to come up here and fill this gap up here at 460, and any kind of momentum through this area we can potentially head up into the $5 area. So we're just looking for this in the chart, and then you also see that it had 80% revenue growth year over year. In the last conference call, management was looking for a stronger fourth quarter. So this is a strong growth name for 2015. So you'll see that I'm also giving you a little bit of the fundamental picture here based on earnings for Extreme Networks. Come down here to Richmond Mines, you'll see that IBD, they have an 86 composite rating for the stock. The last quarter earnings per share, which changed 433% to the upside. Sales changed last quarter 62%, and insiders own almost 17% of the company. So you're not only going to get the technical view, you're also going to get a nice fundamental view of the companies as well. So you can see here that there's a total of 6 active trades so far. These trades will move over to the premium section of the website. And like I said, it doesn't matter to me if you sign up for the 3 months or you sign up for the 1 month trial. I'm going to keep what I've got trading here going. I can't just close out the positions because I actually own them. So we're just going to move these over and continue on trading. And then I will offer a free newsletter as well still. And that will just cover some other stocks that are not in the premium newsletter, but are still good candidates to move higher. So you can read over all this information, just get a better idea of what I do and how to follow me. My closed trades are all down here for the month of December. These are all linked up so you can see the verifications of buys and sells. These are all from the original newsletters beginning in December and going through the month of December. And if you care to look back and see when I bought and sold these, they'll be back in the past newsletters. So you can go back there and check those out as well for verification. For the month of December, we went 16 for 16 trades. We have 5 active that we carried over into January. And we're looking pretty good in those positions as well. So just a quick overview there, and I hope to see you as a premium member.